Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Maria Brown. Today I'm going to quickly show you how I use the At-Home MicroNeedling Pen. The one I'm using is by DermaRoller. I have to say, I'm really falling in love with this product. I'm going to quickly show you how I use it, but what I really want to show you is what I looked like after using the pen, after I had microneedling, and after using the DermaRoller. I think you'll be able to see for yourself how gentle this is. It should be incorporated into your everyday skincare. You use it at night and you put on all your good creams and go right to bed. It goes just deep enough for all your serums and creams to just get into your skin without damaging your skin. It's got these little chips that you put on the top. This is the daily chip. They also have this booster chip. And these are disposable, and I really like the idea that they're disposable because one of my biggest pet peeves is when I use the DermaRoller at home, you're just using those same needles over and over again on your skin. It's pretty disgusting. You really have to soak this in alcohol to try and get it clean, and you're just using those same needles over and over again. After using the pen, I'm going to throw out the DermaRoller. So, okay, come on, let's go get started. Now remember, hit that subscribe button. The one I'm using is by DermaRoller, and I have to say, I'm really enjoying this product. I'll show you how I use it, but I really want to just give you a comparison of what I look like after using it compared to what I looked like after I went for microneedling and even after the DermaRoller. I've already made a video of those two, and I'm going to put a little bit of that in here as well. Now, first thing I'm going to do, push my hair out of my face. All you have to do is screw on one of these nano tips. So here's the tip, and you cannot even see the needles. They're so little. Each one of them is 1,000 times thinner than a strand of hair. So all you do is you just screw it on and you're ready to go. The package comes with these little ampules of serum. There's hyaluronic acid in it and other things. I don't know what's in it. So all you do is you snap off the top and you put one of these rubber tops on it. So it looks like this. This has holes in the top of it, and that's how you get the serum out. It's meant for one use, so go ahead and use the whole thing. Now make sure your hands are really clean because you're going to be spreading that on. The nano chip opens up your skin so that you can put these really good serums in it, and it helps it to penetrate. I'm just going to quickly go over my face and my neck and chest, and then we'll do a comparison. Now when you're using this, make sure you have enough serum on. So I only do one section at a time because it dries out and you can't really use it on dry skin. You need to have some serum on. So just, don't put it all on at one time. Just do the section you're going to be doing and then put more on for the next section. Make sense? Just stamp it on and then rub it in. Don't rub it in too much. You want it to stay wet. Okay, now we're just going to take 2 or 3 passes in each spot. You can go back and forth or you can go up and down, but just 2 or 3 times they recommend, not more than 3. So here we go. I'm going to start here. I'll do my eyes separately. If it feels like it's getting stuck, put a little more serum on. You see, it's so gentle, but you can see that it's a little bit pink there. It's penetrating, just getting that good stuff right into your skin. You can use your own serums as well. You don't have to use the ones that come with it. You can even use this on your lips. Now for the dreaded forehead. It's just plain skin and bone there, and the microneedling really hurt there, and the DermaRoller hurts there. But this is so gentle that you really don't even feel it. You know, I have to be honest, you can feel the tiniest little bit. It's very, very gentle, but you can tell that you're getting something out of it. All right, so here's a side note. See that scar right there? When I was 12 years old, I was hit in the head with a rock. If you want to stick around, I'll tell you that story after. So I'm going to give this scar a little extra attention. And my 11 lines. And that line across my nose. Now, to do around your eyes, you have to be gentle around your eyes. You don't go back and forth. What they recommend instead is that you stamp your eyes. So put some serum on there and, you know, use whatever serums you want. If you have something special for your eyes, go ahead and use it. Now this, we only stamp. We'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, and we'll just keep moving from spot to spot. And I'm going to also try and target those crow's feet there. So just 1, 2, or up to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 2 or 3. Now I'm going to go down my neck, and I'm going to concentrate a little bit on these. I have some tech neck here. I think everyone's getting it. It's from looking down at your cell phone. I'm definitely going to take 3 passes there. Okay, the last thing to do is my chest area. That's it, I'm done. If you're doing this at night, now's a good time to put on all your best creams and go right to bed, let them penetrate. That's how you use the NanoPen. Okay, let's compare it now to the microneedling. This is the next morning. So today I'm not allowed to put any makeup on to cover this up. I did put a little eye makeup on. It's okay, she didn't do my eyelids. Yesterday my face was bright red. Today it's a little sore. And the DermaRoller. Okay, I just put cream on, and I'm gonna be honest with you, that stings a little bit. That's why I like to do it at night. Just put it on and go right to sleep. That's the DermaRoller. I really love this. It's so gentle, and you can use it daily. It just makes such a difference on your skin. Okay, if you stuck around for the story with the scar on my head, the story is when I was 12 years old, there were 3 of us. I was with 2 other girls, I think a sister and somebody's friend, and we were walking along the tracks. Now this isn't a nice little town. It wasn't some dangerous area. I don't know why we were walking along the tracks, but there were 2 boys throwing rocks at us, and I got hit right in the head with one of the rocks. So we were running after them, chasing them. We didn't know who these kids were, and we saw what house they went into, and we ran up to the house and we're banging on the door and ringing the doorbell, and the mom opened the door, and I had this blood gushing out of my head, and she was like, oh my gosh. That's when it was safe to go into the strangers' houses, and she grabbed me and she patched me up, cleaned me up, and we were telling the story of what the boys did. I'm sure he got in trouble for that. I've had this scar ever since then. I think it was worse when I was younger, but it's not that big of a deal. Anyhow, that's my scar story. Give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.